We actually made a couple of changes as we talked through it. We did our scope walkthrough with our contractor, George the man that got here. Now let's resume. We actually made a couple of changes as we talked through it.
Yeah. All right. So this is the master. That's his closet, which is staying in
His
place.
closet.
Yeah.
Let me check it out.
Check it out.
Oh yeah.
Did you check it out?
It's definitely a his closet.
Because it's small.
Yeah. This double French door is getting deleted. We're gonna do one
door.
normal privacy door there. And then over here.
This is the master bath. Everything is gonna come out. Right?
One big shell.
One big shell. The master closet, her master closet is going to be on this side, and then everything else is going to go over there. Tub, shower, toilet, and 2 vanities here.
So this is gonna be divided in half.
Yeah.
One entrance to her closet over there, and then a new entrance over here, and everything is gonna be here.
Yeah. Perfect.
There you go.
Great.
There you go. All right.
All right.
All right, we're moving good.